In this video, I'm going to show you how you can download and play Black Myth Wukong on your PC. So Black Myth Wukong is a 2024 action role-playing game developed and published by Game Science. The game is inspired by a classical Chinese novel Journey to the West and follows a monkey based on Sun Wukong from the novel. So in order to download this game, first of all, what you want to do is you're just going to go ahead and open any browser in your system. Then you're going to search into the search box for Steam and then hit enter. After that, you will be able to see here the Steam link at the top of your screen. So you're going to click on that. And once you do so, you will be redirected to the Steam website. If you see at the right side of your screen, you will be able to see here the search box. So you're going to type in the name of your game in the search box, which is Black Myth Wukong. As you can see here, we have a game appeared, which is Black Myth Wukong. So you're just going to click on that. After that, this is going to be the interface which you will be shown. In here, you're going to scroll down and then you will be able to see here different versions of this game. As you can see here, the first one is $59.99 and the second one is $69.99. So you're just going to choose any of these versions which you want to get, and then you can just click on add to cart on that game. Then you can just click on view my cart. Just click on continue to payment. Then it's going to ask you to log in into your account. Then you will be redirected to the payment page. As you can see here, you have different methods that how you want to pay for your game. You can just choose any of these methods from here and then just enter here your payment information. Once you have done that all, you can just scroll down and then click on continue. Once you click on continue, the game will be bought and then added to your library. And from there, you can just play your game.